Bluehost offers full integration and the most advanced features for WordPress users, but it also offers security, design freedom, and an easy setup for all users building on top of any CMS at an affordable rate. Bluehost will make sure you don't break a sweat when building your professional website, making it a more inclusive hosting service for beginners and veterans alike. Bluehost compared to the best web hosting services? Compared to the best web hosting services on the market, Bluehost is popular for good reason. With full scalability, excellent 24/7 customer support, and affordable pricing, Bluehost is a well-rounded and inclusive option for most users. Bluehost is our top pick for its flexibility and WordPress integrations, which is what makes it so reputable and popular today. Not only that, but Bluehost also offers outstanding security options, affordable shared plans for beginners, and seamless plan upgrades for growth.